Hey, what's up guys? It's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own thumbnails on your phone. So you're going to need two apps. You're going to need Eraser, which is optional depending on what you want to do, and Phonto. So we're going to go ahead and open Phonto. And it should be just like a grid kind of like this. And we're going to press the image button. And we're going to press photo album. So you want to download a photo in 720p from the internet. So we're going to have a background photo. And we're going to load it in. We also can have separate PNGs to add on later. So then we're going to add image, add our separate PNG, which would be the phone in this case. And we're going to resize it by first clicking on it and clicking size and making just the overall size bigger. Like so. Now once you've done that, you want to add an item. This is what the text is going to go on. So you want to add an item and add the square. Now you're going to press on it, press size, and make it wider. You can also make it shorter depending on what you want to do and how many rows you want to have. So I'm just going to do this. It's not going to be my exact thumbnail for the video because I've had to reshoot this video, but it'll be pretty close. So we're going to do it again, but this time I'm going to change the color. Going to press on it, press color. Going to do a nice teal this time. I'm going to do the same thing and make it about the same size. So after I do this, I check to make it sure it's the same size. And then we are going to add the font on. So we're going to press anywhere, press add text, and type in what you want to type in. I'm going to press on, type on your phone, and you can move it onto your bar. It just makes it pop. You can add a curve just by clicking on and pressing the curve button when you slide over. You can also change the font. There's a bunch of fonts. You can get your own from the internet. I can make a separate tutorial on that if you want me to. And then you can also change the color and add a stroke, and also change the size by pressing on size. To add a stroke, you press on style. A stroke is basically an outline, so you can press any color here that they have. There's plenty of colors, say purple, and then you drag the bottom slider to make the stroke larger or smaller. And I'm going to repeat the same step for the top, except I'm going to put it how to make thumbnails, and I'm going to change the font differently. There's a bunch of fonts, like I said before, so there's like a wide variety of what you can do. And to make sure something's like above something else, just tap on the thing that you want on the top. So we're going to resize it, make it a little smaller, like so. Okay, so this is done, and to save it, you want to press in the bottom corner. There's like a box with an arrow. You can also rotate it like this. Oh, it got stuck, but it usually doesn't get stuck. And then I'm just going to review everything. You can rotate. You can change the background, color, and the stroke. You can curve it. You can make it go up and down by pressing move. You could also just drag it. You can recenter it. You can change the font once again. So yeah, you can also change the add symbols when typing. And then you can export by pressing the box. The box with the arrow and pressing save image. And it should save. Now I'm going to show you how to cut out something specific. with an eraser. So find a picture that you want something to be cut out of. In this picture, I just want the Dorito bag, and that's it. You can resize the little eraser thing and erase everything. So usually make it big and kind of like outline it, and then I make it smaller to do the smaller details. So I'm just going to outline this real quick. There we go. To export, we're going to press the little side thing in the top corner, make sure it's in PNG, and press the save button. And we can add it back into our Phonto by going into Phonto, pressing the 3 lines, the 3 lines add image, and camera roll, and just put it in. And you of course have to resize it. I'm not going to use it for this thumbnail, but that's just like an extra little bonus tip. So, anyway guys, if you enjoyed that, then leave a like. I'm going to show you how to upload them now. So go to YouTube on Safari and press the 3 dots in desktop. Now make sure you sign in by pressing the sign in button. Then click on your avatar and click Creator Studio. Now go to the video that you want to add it to, press Edit, and where it shows the thumbnails, I'll zoom in on it. Where it shows the thumbnails, you press Change Image, and you tap that, and then you select the image that you select photo albums and just select the image that you want to change it to. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more.